वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। In this lecture, inshallah, we will see simulation. Al-Mahaka. This is page number 2. Here is page number 1. If this is not there in your sheet, don't worry. Just you see from here. So what we will study here, what we will describe, what we will understand. Point to point. Number 1, definition of simulation. What is simulation? We will study here. Tarif al-Mahakat. Number 2, application areas of simulation. Where do we use this simulation? Tatbiqat. We will see here. Number 3, Fawaid wa Uyub. We will see here. Fawaid wa Uyub or Adrar. Difficulties, Saubat of simulation. When to use simulation? Amta nastamal. Then next topic is model types. How to use this, how to implement this. System and system dynamics, model and model dynamics. Number 1, world view, total view. Event oriented world view, activity scheduling world view, or process oriented world view. We will see here either event oriented or activity oriented or process oriented. Then time and time management, periodic scan time management or event scan time management. Then we will see. Now we will start from Tarif. Definition. What is definition? Tarif. Simulation can be broadly defined as a technique for studying real-world dynamical systems by imitating their behavior using a mathematical model of the system implemented on a digital computer. If you want meaning, you can see here meaning. You just copy this. Then you go here for translation. Then you click here in English. It will give you translation. You can see this translation. You can read this translation like this. You can note down this, you can copy this and then study, then read. In Imtihan you can write in English, or I will try. Even if you write in Arabic, I will check this. Even if you write in Arabic, inshallah, no problem, but please try in English first. So this is the definition. Simulation can be broadly defined as a technique. This is a technique for studying real world dynamic. The system we are going to develop, we don't know how it will behave, what parameters, what data it includes, what it needs, how it will react, respond when it is really implemented. Then this is a technique for studying real world dynamical system which we are going to implement. Before implementation, we are going to use simulation. In the simulation, we will study the new system by imitating their behavior using a mathematical model of the system implemented on a digital computer. When it will be implemented, before implementation, we will study the system in how it will respond or react or behave when it will be implemented. So this is the Tarif for definition. This is a technique for studying il-malumat, real world dynamical systems, how it behaves. by imitating their behavior using a mathematical model of the system implemented on a digital computer. So this is the definition. It includes three fields, three signs. Number one, application field, where we have to implement this. Haqal tadbiqat. Number one. Number two, mathematics. It needs mathematics, a mathematical approach. It needs data. It needs formula. Number two. And number three, computer science. Since we are implementing through computer, so we need also computer science informations. So all these together will be under one umbrella, and it is simulation. So simulation has three fields. Number one, the field where we are going to implement tadbiqat. Number one. Number two, mathematics. We will use mathematical formula and then arguments or data, and then computer science. So simulation is interdisciplinary. It is not related to one field only. Baina haqal. It is. Now briefly, mukhtasar, we can say that simulation is what important points we need to have in our mind when we are dealing with simulation. Point number one, simulated system imitates operation of actual system over time. What actual system will behave, simulated system imitates just it imitates how new system or actual system will operate. It will imitate the system which we are going to implement. Before the implementation, it will imitate and it will give us related data. Number one. Number two, artificial history of system can be generated and observed. Artificial, not real, not real history. Artificial history we can imagine of system can be generated and observed. Of system means new system. Internal, perhaps unobservable behavior of system can be studied. Unobservable, the system we are going to implement the internal behavior of the system, how it will behave when we are going to implement the internal behavior we can understand here. Number four, time scale can be altered as needed. When we are going to implement this, then time scale can be changed. Conclusions about actual system characteristics can be inferred. Conclusions, natija about actual system characteristics, khasais can be inferred, can be understood. So this is the 1 2 3 4 5 major points to keep in mind when we are dealing with simulation. Application areas of simulation, where we are going to use this simulation tatbiqat. Number one, manufacturing, masna, computer science, e-business and workflow systems, finance, telecommunications, transportation and military. These are the fields, these are the uses, these are the applications areas of simulation. Here we can use this. Then advantages and disadvantages of simulation. Fawaid wa uyub for simulation. Advantages. Fawaid. Simulation arbitrary model complexity, circumvents analytically intractable models, facilitates what if and sensitivity analysis. advantages ma fawaid for simulation. It facilitates what if and sensitivity analysis. Building a model can lead to system improvements, and greater understanding can be used to verify analytical solutions. You can see this here translation. You can do yourself this translation. So this is the further. What if analysis we can do? What will happen if we provide this data? What will not happen if we give this data? So what if analysis we can do this. Then disadvantages or you simulation provides only estimates of solution. فقط some تخمينة only solves one parameter at a time, can take a large amount of development and or computer time. Simulation as a last resort. So simulation is a last resort, not the first option. It is the last option. If there is no any solution, then we will go for simulation. This statement it means simulation is not a cheap. It is not a what you say cheap. It is expensive. Ghali, not rakhis. Yes, cheap. It is not rakhis. Don't use computer simulation if a common sense or analytical solution is available. If common sense your mind applies to this problem, then don't use this. Or analytical solution is available, or if resources are insufficient, or if simulation costs outweigh benefits. If फायदा ज़्यादा, then use this. If फायदा qalil and costs it is expensive, ghali, this simulation, then leave it. Khalli. Difficulties of simulation. Ma saubat ma simulation. Number one, provides only individual, not general solutions. Only some solution, individual, not general solutions. Number one, this is the saubats. Number one. Number two, manpower and time consuming. Number two, this is the problem. It takes a lot of manpower and time. Waqt. Computing memory and time intensive. Difficult to experts are required. Difficult, so experts are required. Only mahirin can do this, not shaks aam. Mahir, one who is mahir, he can do this. Hard to interpret results. It is very difficult to say this will happen. It is very difficult. Then it is ghali, expensive. When to use simulation, where we can use this, at what time. Study internals of a complex system, as for example biological system. If we want to use biological system for study the plants, animals inside their cytoplasm, inside their body, if we want to do something, it is good, we can use this. Number one. Number two, optimize an existing design, routing algorithms, assembly line. If it is we are having routing algorithms and assembly line, then we can optimize, we can have more options after simulation. Number three, examine effect of environment changes, as for example weather forecasting, we can do this. Number four, system is dangerous or destructive, like creating atom bomb, atomic reactor, missile launching. These are very difficult and dangerous hazards for health. So we can use here simulation, how it will behave. Then next, study importance of variables. Verify analytical solutions. Next, test new designs or policies. In these areas we can use this simulation process. Impossible to observe influence build the systems. When it allows inspection of system internals that might not otherwise be observable. When it allows inspection of system internals, if simulation is allowing us to study internal systems, then we can use this. Otherwise there is no option to observe internal systems. Observation of the simulation gives insights into system behavior. When we observe a new system which is going to be implemented or going to be created, manufactured, the observation of the simulation gives insights, nazariya dakhil, into system behavior. So up to this we are leaving here. We will start from next topic. Again it is there, some points are here on the next page. We see here system parameters can be adjusted in the simulation model, allowing assessment of their sensitivity, scale of impact on overall system behavior. Then simulation verifies analysis of a complex system, or can be used as a teaching tool to provide insight into analytical techniques. A simulator can be used for instructions, avoiding tying up or damaging an expensive actual system. The simulator is useful for instructions where, when we want to avoid tying up or damaging an expensive actual system, like flight simulations, use of multi-million-dollar aircraft. If we are going to implement this, then we will have big loss. The better go for simulation. So today we finished this, when to use simulation, difficulties of simulation, then fawaid wa uyub for simulations, and application area of simulation, where we use this, and what are the major points with simulations, and what are the fields where simulation includes. When simulation includes, what are the fields? So like application field, where we are going to implement number 1, number 2 mathematics, and number 3 computer science. So simulation is spreading in more than one field. Interdisciplinary simulation is interdisciplinary. And here is the definition. What is simulation? So for today this is enough for this lecture. Inshallah we will start next lecture with simulation, how many phases it has. We will start from here. It is in page number 5. We will start from page number 5. See you inshallah then. With peace. Ma salama. Barakallahu fikum.